everyone, I'm Nicole from Bouquets by Nicole. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very simple, elegant brooch bouquet. This kit is called the Chrissy, and what you will need for this project is your styrofoam ball, solid styrofoam ball. This is the 5.5 inch, which will give us about an 8-inch bouquet, which is mostly used for bridesmaids. So you'll need your styrofoam ball. You'll need your wooden holder to go into the styrofoam ball. I'm using burgundy roses today. Aren't these gorgeous? You know what? It seems like burgundy is going to be the color for 2018. Every year there's a demand for a certain color of rose, and burgundy has been going, really fast this year, and we've only just started. You'll need your fat ribbon for your leaves, your skinny ribbon to wrap your holder. I have my brooches here. Like I told you, this is going to be a very simple bouquet. Very simple, but really pretty. You'll need your glue gun, your glue sticks, pair of scissors to cut your ribbon, and that's it. I already have my holder assembled into the styrofoam ball, so let's get started, okay? First thing you want to do is take some ribbon to wrap around the base of the bouquet styrofoam ball. Reason why we're doing that, and it should be the color of your rose. So I have ivory here. I'm always working with ivory, so I just tend to gravitate towards that color. Let me get the burgundy ribbon. Okay, so I have some burgundy here, and that's what we'll use to cover the bottom of our styrofoam ball. Reason why we're doing that is to hide the styrofoam ball at the bottom of the bouquet, because this is the only part that's really, that'll be noticeable if you have gaps. So you just want to go around with your ribbon. And I didn't show you guys how to put the wooden holder inside the styrofoam ball. I'm going so fast, right? Okay, you just want to put a hole in the bottom of the styrofoam half ball, and then glue your holder in there. It's this hot glue, I'm telling you, it works really well. So you don't have to worry about your holder coming up, coming out of the styrofoam ball. It won't. After a couple of hours, the glue hardens really well, and it's forever. It won't come out. So you just want to glue your ribbon around the bottom of the styrofoam ball, like I said before. My glue dried up there. I know it's been a while since I shot any videos. I've been so busy. I know I always say that, but with the holidays and everything, it's been really busy. But 2018 is here, and the wedding season has begun. Yes! Okay, so I have my ribbon at the bottom, and you just want to go around with your roses. I know I've always told you guys to put the ribbon on the bottom of the rose, but I've discovered doing it like this. Just putting some glue onto the styrofoam ball and then going in with your roses is so quick. Well, I make tons of bouquets, so, time is of the essence for me. But for you, if you're just making a couple of bouquets for your wedding, take your time. You don't have to rush. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. Whatever, is comfortable for you, hey, go for it. But I find it's, when I have a whole lot of bouquets to do, it's so much easier for me to just put the glue on the ball and then just go around with the roses. And that's what I'm doing. So you just go around the bottom of the bouquet with your roses. like that. And putting these roses on is like doing a jigsaw puzzle. You just slide them into where they fit. You see how quick that was? To, just put the glue on and go around with the roses. Ooh, I love this color. It's pretty. And voila, the base is done. So now the hard part really begins. That's the easy part, putting them around the base. So now, you just have to, it's hard to fitting them in. Okay, so I'm done with the roses. So now all I have to do is put on my leaves. Now she wanted ivory leaves and ivory holder to soften the colors up, because it'll be too dark, I think, if you use, the burgundy for your leaves and the burgundy for your holder. And this color isn't really burgundy, it's actually apple red. It's a really dark red. It's not the regular red color. So I'm just going to go around with the leaves. And if you want to see how to make the leaves, please look at my other videos. I show you guys how to make the leaves there. But for time's sake, I already have the leaves made, and I'm just going to just be applying them here. And this bouquet kit is called the Chrissy. So if you're interested in it, it's available for sale on the website. It's only $39.99 for the 7 to 8 inch bouquet, and it's a little bit more for the 10-inch bouquet. I'm not really sure what the price is, but it's a little bit more for the larger one. So you just want to go around with your leaves to cover up this beautiful styrofoam ball, and to hide, any mistakes you made at the bottom of the bouquet. And I think the leaves add a really nice look to the bouquet at the bottom. Not that anyone's going to see the bottom, but it makes it look really pretty. It finishes the bouquet really beautifully. So you just want to put as little glue as possible. Don't use too much glue here, because you'll get glue on your ribbon and it's not that pretty. So you just go around like so, and then we're going to cover up the holder and then put on our beautiful brooches. It's too long. Okay, you know what? I'm going to show you guys how to make the leaves, just in case, this might be somebody's first time watching the video. Let me just show you how to make a leaf. You just take a piece of ribbon and you apply a little glue to the top, and then you fold it over like that. And that's a leaf. That's what you put at the bottom of the bouquet. And then what I do is I cut a V in there just to get rid of some of the ribbon, the excess ribbon. I want to use short ones for this. I usually use the longer leaves for the 10-inch bouquet. And I have them mixed up, so that's why I have some long ones in here. but I use the shorter ones for the 8-inch and the 6-inch bouquets. So yeah, cut some of the ribbon off from the bottom like this. Just make a V. That's, you know, that'll get rid of some of the ribbon. And then when you go to wrap the holder, it won't be so bulky, because you won't have all that ribbon there. You would have already cut off some of it. So we're almost done here with our leaves. Just one more and this is done. The leaves are done. I'm rushing because I want to get to the decorating. Yes, I want to apply the brooches and see how... I love working with this color because the brooches, they really shine next to this dark color. So I really want to hurry up and get to the brooch process. Okay, so then, oh, what am I doing here? So what you do is just cut a piece of ribbon to cover the bottom of this. And I usually just try to get it into a circle. Just cut some of this ribbon off so it won't be so bulky. Just, you know, like a little circle. And put it at the bottom. Apply some glue around the wood. Or you can put it on the ribbon if you want. Let's go around. Like that. Okay, and this is what the leaves look like. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Woo! I mean, you can cover the bottom of the bouquet with anything, really, lace, or, you know, you can use some fabric, but I love putting the leaves on. That's my trademark. So you just want to wrap your ribbon, your skinny ribbon, around the holder really tight. And I didn't cut enough ribbon here. And this is frayed, so I don't want the... And put some glue in between your rows, you know, so that the ribbon won't move on the holder. And then I'm just going to cut a little bit more skinny ribbon. Put some glue there to hold it in place. Just put that there. I'm going to dab a little glue. Do it real tight because you don't want any wrinkles in there. And then I just twirl it. Some more glue in there. And then I just give it a little twirl. Like that. Make sure my leaves are flat and in place. And this is gorgeous. So we're done with the holder. But I'm going to pin my brooches on as I always do because I can't really gauge where my brooches are going while I'm making this video. So I'm just going to use some straight pins in here to apply these gorgeous brooches. Like I said before, the website is going to be featuring free shipping, and the code for the free shipping will be free ship. So that'll be a discount code to get your free shipping on your roses. Woof! Beautiful! So you just go around with your brooches. Move this scissors out of my way. It's for short. And I'm just sticking these in with some pins for now because if I glue them now, don't pay attention to any of the gaps in here. I'm going to go around and glue those close when I'm done shooting this video. So just put your I'm just pinning these in so I can take them off. Oh, this is beautiful. And see how simple it is? This is perfect for a bride who doesn't want a whole lot of bling, or this is absolutely perfect for bridesmaids because it's not, you know, it doesn't have too much bling to take away from the bride's bouquet. It's just, it has a, you know, they can call it a brooch bouquet because it is a brooch bouquet. It has brooches, but it won't, you know, take away from the bride's bouquet. Alright, and like I said, this kit is only, let's see where I want to put this one. This kit is only $39.99 for the 7 to 8 inch. So that's pretty cheap for a brooch bouquet for, you know, your bridesmaids. Or if you're having a simple wedding for the bride. Oh, I love this. So there you have it, guys. This is the Chrissy. And isn't she lovely? I don't know, maybe I should add some rhinestones to this. I don't know. I like it just like this, with just a few brooches. So there you have it. This is Chrissy, and I'm going to finish it up, you know, closing my gaps later on. But there you go. Chrissy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. My next video is going to be a cascade brooch bouquet. Until we meet again, you be blessed, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.